Reading with Val. Hi guys, my name is Valerie. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to enter high school and you basically know only like 10% of the people there? That is really scary, especially for Avon. Avon has no arms and she was born without them. She is terrified of starting a new chapter in her life in high school for 4 whole years. Today, the book I am going to be reviewing is Momentous Events in the Life of a Cactus. This book is by Dusti Bowling and it is the sequel to Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus. I love those two books. This book is a realistic fiction book. I would rate this book definitely a 10 out of 10. In this book, like I said before, Avon is a girl with no arms and she is going to go to high school and she needs to deal with bullies and the school dance and her friends. She only has a few friends, and so she really wants to maintain that relationship with every single one. And Connor moved away this year, which was really sad and really hard for Avon. She gets bullied a lot about no arms, and it's hard for her because she needs to do things that most people do in their daily life, but she needs to make them more complicated because she doesn't have hands or arms. She uses her toes and her feet to open her locker, and she needs to wash her feet too and not her hands. Imagine if you have shoes on for the whole entire day. Your shoes cover your little toes, so it's hard to grip and it's hard to even bend your foot and curve your foot. So that's really hard too. And this cover has a cactus with a cape on it because in this book she learns how to be her superhero self, kind of, and she goes to this thing called Comic-Con with her friend Zion and Lando, and you have to dress up as a comic superhero person. That is probably why there is this flying cape on the cactus. My favorite character in this book is Avon because she is super determined and she's really nice and kind too. I hope you guys enjoy this book. I would recommend this book to kids between the ages 9 through 12. This book is a great book about finding your own self and knowing how to control that pressure. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later. Bye.